souls are fed, our hearts made new. Your presence draws us deeper. No earthly feast can satisfy. No wine nor grain sustain us. Yet in this cup your mercy flows. Your sacred love has claimed us.